Alright, hello. Today we are going to talk about equations. First thing we need to define is a replacement set. And a replacement set is a set of intended values for a variable. We're going to try some examples and see if the replacement sets work. So in the example, the replacement set for x is 8, 9, 10, and 11. Find all the solutions of the equation. So 3x equals 33, that means 3 times what equals 33? 3 times what equals 33? That means x equals 11. And that is the only one in this replacement set that will work. If I was to plug in at 8, 3 times 8 equals 24, not 33. We can do some trial and error. If I do 8 plus 5, I get 13, and 23 minus 8 would get me 15. So if I use an 8 for the x, it does not equal it. If I try a 9, I would get 14, and 23 minus 9, let's see, would that be 14? Looks like it. So if we want, we can try, double check. 9 plus 5 is in fact 14, and 23 minus 9 is in fact 14. So it looks like the replacement of x equals 9 works. Let's see if 10 works. 10 and 5 is 15. 23 minus 10 is 13. Does not work. If you can see that this one doesn't work, this one does, and this one doesn't, chances are this one won't. But just to cover ourselves and make sure that we did it correctly, let's try 11 and 5 is 16. 23 minus 11 is 12. So we have our replacement set is just x equals 9. 13 minus x equals 1. So 13 minus what equals 1? You are correct. 13 minus 12 equals 1. Wait a minute, 12 is not one of our replacement sets. So we do not have something that works in our replacement set, so we are going to call this no solution, because it does not belong in our replacement set. X times x minus 3 equals 70. We can try some more guess and check. I'm realizing that to make a 70, 8 times something will not equal 70, 9 times something will not equal 70, 10 will, and 11 times something won't equal 70. So I'm actually thinking ahead and going, well, it sounds like 10 has to be it. Let's check. If I plug in a 10 here and multiply it by 10 minus 3, will that equal 70? Well, yes, because 10 minus 3 is 7, and 10 times 7 is 70. So my replacement set here is x equals 10, because when we plugged in 10, it worked. Last one, 2x equals x plus x. 2x equals x plus x. Well, what is x plus x? X plus another x leaves me with 2 x's. So this one's kind of neat, because if I plug in at 8, 2 times 8 is 16, and 2 times 8 is 16. If I plug in a 9, 2 times 9 is going to be the same as 2 times 9. 2 times 10 is going to be the same as 2 times 10, and so on and so forth. So all of these will work. So x is equal to 8, 9, 10, and 11. All right, here's a challenge problem for you. Find the solution or solutions of the equation for the given replacement set. So we have 38f, which means 38 times f, equals 912. So you decide, does 24 work, does 25 work, or does 26 work? Or do all of them work, or do none of them work, as in example 3, where the answer would then be no solution. We will discuss this tomorrow. Thank you. Found out we are in the wrong place where we camped last night. So welcome to day 3 of a 4-day hike. Awesome!